Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. This is Don, who is demonstrating what we're going to be talking about today, which is bad sitting posture and why your back and maybe neck even hurts while doing this. It doesn't look comfortable. She looks like a gargoyle right now, like not one of the cool ones, not like the Notre Dame ones. Like you're like one of the ones that you can't tell what animal it would be. Like you're like a monkey gargoyle, actually.
I don't know how I feel about this right now.
No, I'm gonna go with we talked about a Cocker Spaniel the other day.
Oh yeah, I saw one. I saw one on Instagram too. I just cut my hair and Sip says I look like a Cocker Spaniel.
Cocker Spaniel. So we're locally world famous chiropractors, similar to the sandwich shop you know around the corner. They said locally world famous, and your mother in Kentucky's never heard of them. So we're the same. So we're going to show you some sitting corrections today for low back pain specifically, and maybe some things guys can try at home, and we'll even tell you why it works. So we're going to do a little bit of, not role playing. I'm going to try to stump you.
Okay.
And she'll try to stump me too. So this is kind of what patient care is all about. It's fun. So we're going to take this chair over here, and let's see what posture. I'll sit in the chair first, and you maybe correct me.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure we're all in view here. Got it. Okay. Doc, my back really hurts. Help me stop it.
Okay. And honestly though, people have come in just like that. And it's so simple. It just seems silly.
That feels better.
Simple.
Doc, it still hurts though every day. No, but
Okay,
really,
I'll just stay here then.
but really, how am I supposed to keep this posture? Because here's the hard thing. You ever seen those? They sell those things that keep you up.
Yes.
Do we need one of those?
No.
Why not?
Because it's doing all the work for you.
But I don't want to do the work.
Well, then you're gonna have pain. I don't know. But here's what I think. I'm gonna have you stand up. I'm gonna have you stay where you are, but I'm gonna sit you down differently then.
Okay.
Is what I'm gonna do. So your knees are gonna be touching the back of the chair, or the front of the chair, not the back. There you go. Just like that. Good. And instead of just sitting down sloppily, I want you to try to reach your butt to the back of the chair as far as you can, and sit. How does that feel?
It feels like the chair is comfortably eating me. I feel supported.
Okay. I was like, that sounds like it's nice. I don't really know.
Well.
Yeah, so
It does.
sometimes just setting yourself up for success like that can really help. That just already, instead of putting yourself in a poopy position, it can already just give you a little bit of support so you don't have to do the work.
Dawn's been working on not cussing, so she's been saying this word poopy.
Have I cussed in any of the videos?
No, I don't think.
Good.
No.
Yeah.
She's been saying poopy. So I'll cuss. Yin and yang. No, this is good. Actually, this feels better than just having to sit up. I like it.
Cool.
Like, this is way better.
Sweet.
I feel like the backrest was there for a reason.
Oh, maybe that is why.
Okay, what's another option?
Um,
Doc, my back really hurts.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you.
We had to answer the phone.
Yes. Have you scoot up in the chair. So it's actually quite the opposite of the one we just used. It just really depends on the person and what's most comfortable for them. So sitting up in the chair can help you spread your knees a little wider. What did you just do that for?
Oh, I'm going to show on this guy next.
Okay.
It's like, I didn't want to be like the back of the line.
So being able to spread the knees wider can help with you being able to maybe then roll the low back forward a little, and then you can sit up a little bit straighter. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Yeah.
So I'll add one thing to that, and I'll show on this model here in a second, is if you place your hands kind of on your pelvis here, kind of like this guy here, and you dial your pelvis forward and backwards, you won't find comfort in an extreme position either way, but you're going to find somewhere in the middle, and then you hang out. Now where I'm sitting right here on the edge is basically you're sitting on we call these the ischial tuberosities, which is called your sit bones. So we're going to sit those bones on the edge of the chair in a perching manner, like I'm a parakeet. But if you do too much roll, you're going to feel like you're going to fall off. But the legs generally support you pretty good. So I know I can't see from a different angle here, but the width you're talking about is around this.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got one. Go ahead and try to stump me then.
try to stump you.
Yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh God, okay, this is multiple things here. This is just crap. Just crap. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. First off is, Don, I want you, does your back hurt in that position?
Yes.
Okay, put that foot down for me. Okay, I want you to rock your weight into your feet. Good. Go ahead and rock back. Funny, although she's trying to fight me on this, most people will feel better with just those two suggestions.
Yeah.
Because number one is we put your feet in play now, and you've rocked into the feet. Now, obviously, she can't work like this throughout the day, so act like you're working at your computer.
Okay.
She's already in a better position. It's like she's riding a tricycle maybe. Did you ever get training wheels?
I did.
Did you
have
have training wheels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not for long though.
Yeah. Good. All it takes. So anyways, this is just one easy correction here. The second one that I thought she was going to have me do was lean against that. So you can bring the back support a little closer. Because the fact of the matter is this is a nice chair. Not a nice chair in the fact that it was expensive. I actually like that they're kind of cheap and rickety because you have to support yourself. But it's also a nice fit for us. How tall are you?
5'6".
5'6", I'm 5'7". This is good for us, but leg length, thigh length, for short people, you can't get your feet on the ground if you're actually using the back support. So you need to create a back support, and this is a super easy win for a lot of people.
There you go.
Okay.
I like it.
What else do you want to add? Do you want to add why that works? Or I know we did that already.
Did we? Did we go over the anatomy yet?
Do it.
I don't think we did.
Do it.
Okay. So, where's that other little model? Is it out there?
There you go.
Oh, that one works too.
I'll find you another one.
I was thinking of the disc one.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Just walk up to that camera and make sure.
Sure. So here we go. This is the back of the body. This is the front of the body right here.
I'll put your little model right there.
Thank you. And when you sit in a chair in that type of rounded position, I mean, if you look, this is kind of a rickety spine model, to be honest. He's a little old and falling apart, but normally your low back would have just a little bit of a backward bend like this naturally, right? But all day long, if we're sitting in that opposite position, one, that's just going to cause a lot of irritation because it's not what it's normally supposed to be sitting in for a long period of time, but it can drive irritation to the nerves and to the discs in this area. Here's the other model. I like this model better because it can show you.
Yeah, how hard is it to really get it in front of that camera, huh? It just fights you.
There it is.
I'm getting that blur, huh?
Yeah. So right here. So if I go like this is rounding, and then look at that disc. Look what happens to it and that nerve there. It just caused so much irritation back there in the longer periods of time too. So just sitting up and sitting with a little bit of that back bend can really help support the area. Mm-hmm. Simple.
Simple, easy wins.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you guys want to come visit us, please do. Or you can keep watching our YouTube videos. They're all free. If you guys email us, we can definitely have a conversation with you too. It's info@p2sportscare.com. It's probably at the bottom. And there's also a phone number, 714-502-4243. I feel like I've said that a million times now. But there's somewhere on YouTube makes a little corner circle where it says, hey, click me, I want to get videos every week. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to learn more about backs and how to sit and so on. Because we have a bunch of these videos. So, or if you can't find what you're looking for, just go onto our channel, which again is through that little dot, and you can just search any word you want to, such as sitting, low back pain, and so on. But yeah, if you need some help, we're in Huntington Beach. We do help people virtually too. So wherever you're at, just reach out to us and we'll do our very best. Remember, we're locally world famous. Yeah, I just want pastrami. It's a great place around the corner.
I don't like pastrami.
De Simone's, locally world famous. It's over by Golden College.
Maybe I just gotta go to the right place. It's just too salty for me.
I think you gotta add more bread.
Okay. I'm up for that.
I'll take the meat out of yours and you can put it in mine. It's too much meat. We'll see you guys next week.